Hi Sephora, I'm Kent Yu, president and founder of T3. We've put together a great instructional video for you. I hope you really enjoy it. Thanks for all your support, and here's to a really great year.
T3 has redefined hairstyling, from its innovative products to its groundbreaking technologies. It all starts with tourmaline. T3 are the pioneers of tourmaline technology. With Kent Yu's idea, the featherweight dryer exploded in the hairstyling market.
So the idea for T3 started 4 years ago when I observed my wife, who's an avid shopper and consumer of fashion and beauty products, was always finishing her morning regimen with a traditional hairdryer. And I thought to myself, if we were to make a better, high-performance hairdryer, would someone like her be interested in it? It would dry her hair faster, it would be lighter, it would be less damaging, and would offer her better, softer, smoother hair. So all of the T3 styling tools incorporate the use of tourmaline. Now you may ask, why do we use tourmaline? Tourmaline is a mineral that has natural electrical properties. Tourmaline specifically emits far-infrared heat when it's heated, and it also emits negative ions. Tourmaline negative ions, when exposed to hair, impart 3 key benefits. 1, it helps to eliminate static electricity, which leaves hair with a smooth, shiny, silky finish. 2, it helps to break down water molecule clusters for faster drying and for moisture penetration into the hair. And 3, it helps to close the cuticle layer, which protects the hair from damaging factors such as chemicals or just exposure to the environment. The tourmaline mineral, also when heated, will produce far-infrared heat. Now, what's far-infrared heat? It's a certain type of wavelength along the electromagnetic spectrum that is known to penetrate solid objects. In the case of hair, what far-infrared heat is doing is it's penetrating the hair shaft. That means that in the case of drying, it can dry hair faster since it's literally drying from the inside out. In the case of styling, it styles hair quicker and without causing damage because it's softening, it's heating the hair from the inside out, so it's not overheating the surface.
There are a lot of tourmaline products out there on the market, but what makes T3 truly unique is all about our flawless technology. By infusing the tourmaline gemstones into our product's flawless technology, it will truly last forever and ever because the tourmaline stones is what's giving you the ionic energy. Again, unlike the coated, plated products out there on the market, tourmaline is not going to wear off from the plates of our irons or our dryers because it's fully baked and infused into our products.
There are 4 things that make the T3 Bespoke Labs dryers truly unique. 1 is a tourmaline. The use of tourmaline hairstyling tools is a process and idea that we invented. We have patent-pending technologies to really incorporate the mineral properly into the hairstyling tools. It's something that is definitely unique to T3 Bespoke Labs. 2, it's the fast drying. Not only are our dryers very lightweight, but they actually dry hair quickly, up to 70% faster than conventional dryers. That's because we're using the tourmaline, its negative ions, and its far-infrared heat to actually dry hair faster. 3rd is the fabulous finish. Again, the tourmaline negative ions, not only do they break down water molecule clusters for fast drying, but they actually eliminate static electricity on the cuticle layer. This means the hair will look smooth, so it looks shiny and it feels silky. And the 4th and final thing is that the dryers are very lightweight and quiet. Again, because we're using tourmaline technology instead of a large motor, which has been the conventional approach, our dryers only weigh 13 ounces. We don't rely on a big motor to dry hair by blowing a lot of air and heat. We actually rely on technology to dry hair. That means we can use a smaller motor that weighs less and actually lasts longer.
I'd like to share with you the T3 Bespoke Labs dryers. First off, we have the featherweight blow dryer. This weighs 13 ounces, it's 1800 in watts. It has high speed, high heat, low speed, low heat, and a cool shot button that does not lock. The second professional blow dryer that I'd like to share with you in the T3 Bespoke Labs is called the Evolution blow dryer. The main difference from the featherweight is that the Evolution dryer is 13.5 ounces, it's 2000 in wattage, it has 3 heat settings, a high and a low, and a cool shot button. Last but not least, I'd like to share with you the T3 Bespoke Labs Overnight Travel Dryer. This is 1200 in watts, 9 ounces, and it has a collapsible handle so that it doesn't take too much space in your suitcase. Also keeping in mind, it does feature a dual voltage. You can either use this in North America or Europe without having to shop for a voltage converter. What differentiates T3 bespoke lab dryers from any dryer in the market is our patented soft air technology. What soft air technology is that it actually prepares the air from the outside before it even enters into the blow dryer. It enters through the back, through our intricately designed filter system, then enters into the chamber of the blow dryer. When it's in the chamber of the blow dryer, it is then saturated with negative ionic energy using flawless technology. As the airflow exits from the blow dryer, you're going to get a directional, uniform, gentle heat flow. It will actually heat the hair and not the air. This prevents over drying your hair.